students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn what the difference between teach and learn. So first of all, teacher teach to student. Teacher teach to student and student learn from teachers. That means teacher give information or knowledge to student and student take information from teachers, right? Now, did you got my point? Did you get my point? Teach mean to give information and learn mean to take information or knowledge. I have few examples regarding this. First one is tour guides will blank you. Now tour guide will give you something, will give you information, and for giving we use the word teach. Tour guides will teach you. Students blank at school. Now, what does student do? What do students do in the school? They take information, they take knowledge from teachers, and for taking we use the word take. Student learn at school. This book will blank you its history. Now this book will give you something, that is history of something, and for giving we use the word teach. Next, teachers blank at school. Teachers learn or teach at school? Of course, teach at school. I can blank you French. I can blank you French. Learn or teach. Now here someone is giving something to someone, that is knowledge. It means for giving we will use the word teach. I can teach you French. Next example, how can I blank more about interesting places to visit? How can I blank more interesting places to visit? Now in this sentence someone is required some knowledge. Someone wants to take more information, more knowledge, and for taking we use the word learn. How can I learn more interesting places to visit? Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video.